Hello, my TUBEEZ. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you. And as promised, I have my Boxy Premium box here, and I am super excited to be unveiling it with you guys, as is customary, or tradition. We'll say tradition, okay? We created our own traditions, damn it. So let's get our little knife and pop this biatch open. Okay, so here's what I got in here, and I just looked briefly. So let's take a look and see what we got, shall we? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 items here for my Boxy Premium. All right, first thing that I see on top is the LARUCE Beauty Face Disc, $24. So this is kind of like one of those reusable, you know, more of like eco-friendly, what is it, face cleaning type things. It's almost like a makeup eraser. These are nice. They're very soft. I'm almost concerned though, because some of the fuzzies are coming off. So I'd be kind of concerned about the, oh look, and my thingy wasn't stitched right. I'd be concerned about longevity. Even then, yeah, the concept is nice. They're machine washable, so that's pretty freaking awesome. All right, next up here, let's see. Okay, I have the Lady Gaga House Laboratories Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. It is $20, so shimmer liquid eyeshadow, weightless, smudge proof. It's in shade Biker. So let's take a look at these colors, shall we? If I can open it, there you go. Oh, good God almighty. So according to said bottom, I think that it's like a gray or a black. Yeah, it's a gray. So it's got a pretty nice doe foot applicator. So let's take a look-see. It does pick up a lot of product, which is nice. And it's definitely blendable. Oh, put too much on this eye. This is what it looks like, and it's a nice wash of colors. I have oily lids. There's nothing like right now anyways permeating through, so that's really, really awesome. We have Grown Alchemist, excuse me, Age Repair Gel Mask. It does a lot of things. So it's going to firm the skin and calm irritation. Like, it's got a bunch of good stuff in it. So it's pretty awesome. So you get a pretty nice size for this, considering that Grown Alchemist is a pricier brand for skincare. I'm into smells, especially with my masks, because sometimes some masks smell pretty rank, right? It smells really earthy, like, it's like a light eucalyptus and green tea is how I would describe that. All right, our other item here, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray, $30. I have no face makeup, but I'd like to try it out anyways and kind of get a feel for it. So it's nice here. It's like a very, very, very pale lavender. And you got a nice sized bottle. Damn, that smells really good. It's very refreshing. Oh, and it's like a cloud mist too. So that's, it smells great. It feels good on the skin. So, and that absorbs really quickly on the skin. So I can see that being really good for prep. The 5th item, OSEA Sea Mineral Spray or Mist. For real, bro. Good God. Okay. So 5th item here that I have is the OSEA. This is the Sea Minerals Mist. Supercharged toning mist, cooling, refreshing, aloe vera, helps to nourish especially sun-drenched skin. So this is more like a healing, replenishing type spray. And this runs for $38. It's nice. It is a glass bottle. in silver. It's kind of like in that brushed nickel look type deal. It is heavy, which is nice. It's got seaweed and such in it. So let's take a look. Ooh. We are not going to mention how comparable to other situations that is. But that really gets you right in the face. Like, there's nothing graceful about it. Hold on. This ain't even a mist. This is a goddamn spray. A mist is like this Fenty spray. Okay, now look. We're going to compare the two. Okay, ready? It's freaking all over my bottle. Okay, so which was the mist and which was the spray? I think that this would be a nice product. There's no smell to it, which is awesome. But I think that this would be a nice product if this had a spray like Fenty and it didn't attack your face, you know. But yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna give it a try and kind of see where that leads to. Okay. Last item is the Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew. This is the antioxidant cleansing oil. This runs for $24. There's sea kelp and papaya enzymes. Cleans and softens complexion, removes impurities and stuff. And it seems like it protects your skin as well from free radicals. So that's kind of awesome. It's kind of like this light yellowy tinge. light of yellow. So let's see. It smells lightly citrusy, but it does smell very nice of, very lightly of that citrus. So I think that's really cool. Okay, so in this particular box, I can see, and see now where many influencers had expressed their dismay for, with the amount of skincare products that there are in this box. I mean, all but one product, obviously, was skincare, but is that entirely bad? And I believe that with the kind of go all out, theme, it's going in, to the end of summer with a bang, and so a lot of it is kind of like that replenishment or rehabilitation of the skin and for the body too. So that's where I can see a justification for all of the skincare. And so doing some math here, Madison had added everything together and my total for this month is $215, which is pretty phenomenal considering, again, the items. All right. So now it's time for the giveaway. I have 6 products, 6 items to give away in lieu of all of the skincare that many people have received in their premium box, especially for this month. Okay, so I do have 6 items and one is a skincare product. Okay, so don't judge me, bitches, because again, we all need something to protect our skin, right? So the first item that I'm going to be putting in this giveaway is the Murad. This is the Environmental Shield, the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is the MAELLE Sun-Kissed Blush. And, okay, you get different shades of blush. Okay, so that's item number 2. Item number 3 is the Lavish 5-piece eyeshadow brushes, which are absolutely soft. Okay, you have like your pencil brush, contour, lid, crease. It works out. So there's that. Here you get the Melted Chocolate eyeshadow here. This is in color Chocolate Wine. So just like the one that I received, I believe it was last month, it is in like this deep mauvish brown type color. Okay, with the doe foot applicator. Okay. Here you get the ELOISE Get Gleaming product here. And I did take the plastic off of this one to make sure that the pump works, because mine, and I know that's kind of weird, but mine that I did receive, the pump didn't work very well. And last but not least, the Brow Bar by Rima. This is the Drama Queen palette. Let's try to open it. Okay. There's still the plastic on the thing here. It comes with the brush. And here you have the quads for your eyeshadow. You have a bronzer and a highlighter. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to assume that that is a finishing powder. There are different types of blushes here. And each of the colors can be used for whatever and how many different combinations, I guess. There you have it. You have 6 items here for this month's giveaway. And so now what I would like for you all to answer is, what does go all out mean to you? I want to know what your definitions are. And I would like for you to comment down below. This giveaway begins on Monday, the 23rd of August, 2021 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, 1000 hours, Eastern Standard Time, until the 31st of August, which is a Tuesday, until 7 p.m. or 1900 hours. The drawing will be conducted at 2000 hours, which is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 31st of August. Okay, I wish everybody luck. And as usual, this particular one, again, is going to be for U.S. residents only. Only for December's giveaway will it be open globally, open up worldwide. Okay, so I know it's kind of a bummer, but just you wait. It's going to be absolutely worth the wait. Okay, so I want you guys to have an awesome rest of the week, and thank you for unboxing with me. Bye.